Good evening everyone. How is your day today? Man, the whole day I'm walking around looking for the hospital who gonna accept my insurance. I've been in 4 hospitals. 2 of the hospital not accept my insurance. The last one the cardiology is putting something in my body. I have a small machine stick in my body to monitor the heartbeat because my heartbeat is not normal. See, that's the small ECG. I need to go back to the hospital tomorrow afternoon. The laboratory, I don't know if the insurance company will approve that. The other clinic is requested the laboratory also to check the cholesterol, sugar, and anything. But I'm waiting for the approval. But the cardiology, I need to come back again tomorrow because they gonna remove this machine. Not allowed to take about 24 hours until this machine will remove. The cardiology will check my heartbeat is not normal or something problem inside my heart. Because sometimes I feel dizzy and my heartbeat is very fast, and sometimes it's hard to breathe. It's good I was able to go check up in the clinic, and then the clinic requested ECG. When the result of the ECG is not normal, they give me referral for cardiology. The problem, that clinic didn't have cardiology doctor. That's why I tried to go to the other hospital. But the 2 hospital did not accept my insurance. That's why I went to Dositani, backside of Dositani, Dayas Healthcare. There they accept my insurance there. That's why the cardiology doctor put something, a small machine in my body. I'm sleeping with this machine. I need to come back tomorrow. The cardiology doctor. And I wasn't able to buy my medicine for hypertension and for clogged nose because all the pharmacy I went is they don't have generic brand. My insurance not covered. Branded. Yan. Yung maliit na aparato.
Parang halter monitoring? Bakit daw siya?
Yung ECG ko kasi abnormal.
Like anong result?